In a quiet little village lived an old man named Samir. He didn't have much money, but his heart was full of something far more valuable, a deep, unconditional love for animals. His small home was a sanctuary, always echoing with the happy sounds of chirping birds, purring cats, and joyful barks. To Samir, this symphony of life was the greatest wealth he could ever possess. Every day, he would be seen tending to sick, abandoned, or injured creatures. Some villagers would mock him. "Why waste your time on animals?" They'd say. "They can't give you anything in return." But Samir knew better. He understood that true love isn't about getting, it's about giving. He believed that care and trust could forge bonds stronger than any words. One stormy evening, a small, terrified dog stumbled into his yard. It was soaked to the bone, shivering with cold and fear. Samir gently scooped it up, wrapped it in a warm blanket, and offered it a bowl of food. Hesitantly at first, the little dog began to eat. Soon after, its tail gave a slow, cautious wag. A flicker of trust was born in that moment. But Samir also learned how easily that trust could be broken. He had a beautiful parrot, which he had raised from a chick. It was a clever, talkative bird, but one day it fell silent. It refused to eat, refused to speak. Samir was heartbroken. He soon realized the cause. Some villagers, while bringing treats, would also try to coax the bird away. Their jealousy and doubt had poisoned the parrot's sense of security. It was a painful reminder that trust is fragile, whether between humans or animals. Doubt is a powerful poison. Determined to heal the broken bond, Samir began a patient process of rebuilding trust. He spoke softly to the parrot every single day, reassuring it. He made sure its environment was calm and safe, free from any outside interference. He gently introduced the new dog and his cat, showing the parrot that they were friends, not rivals. He showered all of them with consistent, loving attention. Slowly but surely, the magic happened. The parrot began to chirp again. It started eating eagerly and even learned new words. The dog, once trembling with fear, now played happily with the cat. A small harmonious family had formed, all thanks to Samir's unwavering love and patience. Through this experience, Samir solidified 5 powerful lessons. First, love requires patience. Strong bonds, with people or pets, don't happen overnight. They grow slowly, day by day. Second, trust is fragile. A single act of harshness or a seed of doubt can shatter it in an instant. Third, compassion is unconditional. Real care isn't measured by what you get back. Fourth, attention matters. Your time and consistent presence are the nutrients that make love grow strong. And fifth, protection nurtures growth. A safe, loving environment is where trust can truly flourish. Word of Samir's gentle ways spread. His yard became a local wonder. People saw how the most fearful and neglected animals transformed into joyful, loving companions under his care. Children started visiting, learning from him that love is an action and kindness has the power to heal. One day, a young boy asked him, "Sir, why do you care so much for animals when so many people don't?" Samir smiled warmly. "Love isn't just for humans," he explained. "When you offer care, trust, and patience, life responds in the most beautiful ways. The bonds you build, whether with a person or a puppy, bring a joy that nothing else can." Samir's story reminds us that love and trust are the most powerful forces in the world. They may be fragile, but with patience and care, they can overcome anything. If this story touched your heart, please give this video a like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more inspiration. Thanks for watching.